Welcome to our Trojan Label T2-C tech support video series. Today we'll review how to replace the wiper roller on the Trojan Label T2-C. From the Trojan 2 tab, select Maintenance, and then select Home Maintenance Module. This moves the head off the capping station and the capping station to the rear where it's easily accessible. Using your thumb and forefinger, push the roller backwards while holding the capping station still to pop the roller out. Remove the roller and prepare the new one. Remove the protective plastic from the new wiper roller. Once the plastic is removed, insert the new roller gear side first. Seat the gear, then snap the roller into place. When finished, press Install Maintenance Mode. That's it. Now you know how to replace the wiper roller on the Trojan Label T2-C. For additional tech support videos, please visit our Trojan Label video playlist. Thank you very much.